$100 earnings per day would be all possible through this method. If you want to know how to make this amount of money, then you better keep on watching, because in this video, I'll show you how this method called affiliate commissions will help you in your finances. You're not selling anything here or even investing. Your hard-earned money will go directly into your accounts. I'll show you paid traffic and free traffic that everyone could use. We all like free, right? But I'm going to show you a much wiser move that you can do. And this is by starting with the free traffic, and when you already earn money from that, then it would be the best time to invest in paid traffic. So prepare yourself for today's video, because I'm going to show you a step-by-step process that you can utilize to generate over $200 a day with cost-free traffic. Zero-cost traffic is kind of like traffic that other websites would send you absolutely free of charge and without any investment. However, if you start to use it for paid traffic strategies that I will be sharing in today's video, then you can actually begin increasing your earnings. You can easily earn a few $100s a day by using this method, although if you do use it frequently, you can use it to earn a few $1,000s every week. Now let's get started with a step-by-step tutorial. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. The first thing you should do is visit digistore24.com. We'll be using Digistore for this technique. All you have to do is to create a free account at digistore24.com. They have immediate approval in many ways. Now, if you're a beginner, you should click here to sign up as an affiliate. Only choose affiliate because then they'll just ask you fewer questions and you can sign up much faster. Fill up all the necessary information, enter your username, email, and password. Also enter your name, address, phone, and country. And then register for free. Make sure that all the information you put are all true because this is the network that will be compensating you. On the left side of the page, you'll see the benefits or the advantages of being an affiliate or a publisher. Number 1, you'll have an affiliate marketplace with access to high converting offers. You'll also get a commission of up to 85%. The payouts are weekly and will always be on time. They also have 24/7 dedicated affiliate support. So, after you create your account, go to the marketplace section. This is where you can choose from a variety of products to advertise as an affiliate and earn money on each and every transaction that you make. Now I'll show you the exact product to choose from in this video. As you can see, there are a lot of digital products here. They're categorized in this section. So, they offer digital products that have something to do with animals and pets, dance, and music. They also have email marketing, fitness and health, home and garden, social media, and a lot more. Now, we're going to use this zero-cost website that will send us free traffic. In this video, we'll focus on internet marketing and e-businesses. There are several items here, but for the time being, let's stick with this secret millionaire bot. Top converting offer converts all types of traffic: BizOp, personal development, IM, MMO like nuts, make up to $500 per sale. I suppose earning $200 every day won't be a problem if you're going to use multiple offer upgrades to make a sale. From this, you can earn up to 50% commission, and that's approximately $27. All you have to do is to click the Promote Now button, and then you can start copying the affiliate link of that product. And so the next step is to shorten the link. The website we can use is Cutly. Instead of having a lengthy link, we will shorten and customize that link. So let's move on to the next website. I want you to visit the Answer the Public website. Basically, this is going to be the website that generates anything we want for any niche. So you can search right here for some questions about your niche. For example, how to make money online. Then select the country. For example, United States, and then select English. Now, if you're going to be in another niche, then just search for questions that are related to it. For example, you can also search for how to lose weight, how to train a puppy, and many more. Here, you'll see a kind of view because this website will provide you with all the most frequently asked questions. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cash Flow. Back to the video. Here are the most popular questions that are being searched by people. The darker shade will be the most popular that people currently search, while the lighter shade will be the least searched questions. This is something we want to take advantage of since it'll be providing us with free traffic. You should therefore choose one of these questions from the list. For instance, we'll choose the statement that says, "How to make money online for free." We'll copy the sentence and move on to the next website called writesonic.com. As you can see, this is a totally free website with no credit card needed. This is an AI assistant for writing all kinds of different digital articles, and all manner of digital things you need to know about, especially when writing about an article, a blog post, an ad, or any description. So when we go to the pricing, they offer a free trial, and you'll get paid by using it. For a free trial, you can get started for $0. But you can only use 6,250 words for this. And so, if you plan to use more words, then you can switch the quality with any plan which you can see on the screen. They have short form and long form plans. Now click the Get Started for Free button. Just put your name and business email and create a password. Then, after that simple registration process, you'll have your own account. Although you can't enjoy all the special features with a free account, you do have the ones that we actually need. For instance, this one right here, which is called AI Article Writer 3.0. This is all we need in this method. So, for the topic, just search for the question we copied a while ago. Type "How to make money online for free," and then select a language, for example English, and then choose a quality. If you want, you can choose economy, average, good, or premium. You can still get everything for free, whatever you choose from the quality. Here's a secret. You can create multiple accounts using multiple Gmail addresses. And you can also access the premium articles. After making and writing an article, you can also add photos that are related to the article to attract more viewers. Let me now demonstrate the following step. What you should do is go to a website called vocal.media once you have your affiliate link. This is a website where you can essentially share your stories and basically make money just by posting various articles on it. You can also make money from the entire source of free traffic this website will be sending you. So, just click the Join button and sign up for a new account. After you've signed up, go ahead to the Wallet section. This is where you'll be cashing out your earnings. You can set up a Stripe account or publish a story. The website uses Stripe to send and receive payments. It's very easy to connect on Stripe. And of course, it's also free. And here is where you can publish a story so you can earn money. Click the Create a Story button, and now all you have to do is to copy and paste what we just created from the WriteSonic website. I hope you're still with me and following the instructions. Paste everything here on this website. Make sure you proofread the article, and if everything is all set, go back to Cutly and then copy the link there. Now, just paste the links in the article. Add multiple links so that people would notice them. Then, just go back to Digistore and copy the link there. The link will serve as a call to action on the article, so we'll paste it on the article and highlight it for people to see. Then, just save the article. If you want to promote your links more, well, you can add the article on websites like medium.com. You can send traffic here on autopilot. And there you have it. What do you think about this? Don't you think it's one of the best ways to earn money online? Share your comments and thoughts down below in the comments section. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your time and hope we'll see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.